You could potentially boost your earnings with an extra 10%, 100%, even 8,000% I saw, where there's a realized P&L of over 350 million, 410,000 followers, and 100,000 elite traders. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a secondary income that you could potentially look at that could work for you, and it is a copy trading with Bitget. Now, this copy trading with Bitget is basically a platform that's not new. It is on a lot of different platforms and exchanges, but the returns of investment and the way that Bitget's working is pretty crazy. I'm not going to lie. To see someone do 8,400% is not unheard of. It is there, but I'm sure there's risk that comes into it. So in today's video, we're going to go through a little bit of these users, go through their portfolios, go check this out. And I just thought it'd be an interesting piece of content because this will be from a professional trader's point of view and giving you a review of the copy trading. So let's get to it. As you come onto the dashboard, you can click on copy trading at the very top, and you can go on futures copy trading, spots, or bots, which is basically bots are, you know, the bots that people have created. Futures are from people who are trading futures from them, and spot is basically spot. So spot is on the price of the actual trading, and future is future prices for them. You can create your own trading bot, and there is a leaderboard as well. So currently I've just clicked on copy trading in the overview, and what really first thing that comes onto me is I like to go down to here and just to see ROI, which kind of caught my attention. Click on spot as well, which is a little bit more realistic. I say more realistic, but someone's done 1,000%, but we would need to dive into and look into a little bit more detail. So let's go on to this guy here, ambition, whatever it is. He has a total of 695 traders. Maximum drawdown is 12.21%. So I find that very interesting and consistent. You would want to try and look at the largest, like as far back as you can, because that's the most important thing. Now, an equity curve like this, now, yes, on crypto, I guess this is something that you got to look at this and think, this is highly aggressive. Now, if this is highly aggressive, the money that I would put, this is how I would approach it, and not financial advice or whatever. As soon as I see this equity curve, the first thing that kind of stands out to me is the fact that we have a very strong peaks and troughs. The peaks and troughs are basically the highs and lows, and there is no steady equity curve on here. Now, that as an investment is a little bit high risk, but you have three types of portfolio. You have a low risk, mid risk, and high risk. So your high risk is obviously something you know that you could lose potentially all of your capital or majority of your capital. Medium is you're willing to lose anywhere between 20 to 30%, and then low risk is really 5 or 10% maximum drawdown you want to ever be into. You know, there's no real right way to split your portfolio. It really is down to you. You know, when I first started and I didn't have a lot of money, I was willing to take more risk because I needed to make more. But as you make more and more money and you have more and more capital, it's important to actually account preservation as opposed to account growth, because you've started to hit those numbers. 10% on 10% on 10 million is a lot different than 10% on $1,000. You know, is $1 million or $100. So yeah, he has a very good controlled drawdown. The return on investment is obviously 8,500%, which is ridiculous. You can see his trades, you know, and all the altcoins that he's trading. 218 followers, and maximum you can have copying the trades is 500. So he's only been in here for 2 months, so it's not really long enough in terms of a track record. So, you know, really and truly, I think it's most important to see people who have over maybe 2 or 3 years worth of track record for the long term vision. But you know, you can see that his trading volume only really increased recently. The first thing I think is, did he hit luck with a really big trade? Did he hit something else? So yeah, that's the first little thoughts on him. So let's go back onto the copy trading, and then let's just randomly pick on someone. Let's say 66%. 66% sounds a little bit more, you know, lower, and let's see how that goes. So the total AUM, which is the annual under management, is 90,000 that they have. 88% profitable trades. That is a very high win rate. Currently with $4,000 in profit and 66% on the return of investment. So you can copy 500 people already copying them. They've been here for 214 days, which is nicer than the previous platform. Previous trader, because they've been on here a little bit longer, which means a longer track record. We can see the trading volume has been pretty much only a few days that they've been trading, so they haven't been trading too much. And then let's have a look at return of investment. It's been pretty stagnant. By the looks of it, their portfolio looks a lot more something that they're holding for the potential longer term. But this equity curve is a little bit slower, which I like, but I do want to see if there's further insight. So there's not really much you can see. You can see the different people of copy trading. Let's have a look at the orders. So if we look at the orders, they've been buying AVX. That was literally last month. they haven't been trading too much. So yeah, it looks like a much more of a buy and hold portfolio for the longer term. And I guess that makes sense because we're on the spot side of things. So spot trading, which is you're holding the actual spot price and the spot cryptocurrency. So let's do one last little review of someone else. Let's go back onto futures, because if we go on someone with futures, that will be them trading it. So let's click on copy trading. Let's pick a loser. So obviously we know that you don't want to pick a losing portfolio of a return of investment, but the interesting point is there are still 12 people following him. If we go on the last 7 days and we look at the last couple of months, we see a huge drop when he first started in the month, and something must have happened to the portfolio, but he's had a steady gain and steady recovery to be able to push this back up into the minus 140%. Yet again, if we look at this total, he's had 70 total trades. He's had quite a long time, so he's been in there. He's low frequency, and then he's completely inactive at the moment, so it's probably not even trying to. So what that could potentially be is just the portfolio just absolutely drops, and then it's just doing what it's doing. It's not actually trading, and he's not actually that active. But he has had a total of $230,000 in profit and 54%. So I think that return of investment will have, I don't know when that period would be, but this is very backwards in terms of the max drawdown is 280% in positive. So he definitely must be in a recovery stage, and that's due to the fact that we can't go further back in data. So it's quite cool because you can do verses, you can do follow, you can share this. So, you know, it's quite an interesting point of view. It could be a separate little way of income. I used to love this kind of stuff. I don't do it as much anymore. The reason I don't do it as much anymore is because I don't have as much time to refine, to review it and spend time doing it. And I don't really want to allocate my money to it just as of yet. But saying that, I am starting to look into more of these situations now, because as the market is moving, it's a little bit better. It's time to start getting back into this, looking where I can diversify more of my income. Previously, all of my crypto portfolio I have not looked at for the past year. Now that it's starting to move a little bit, I will start looking into it and starting to stay a little bit more up to date. So that is the copy trading. If you want to go and sign up with Bitget, the link is in the description below, and give us a support. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.